Hello, I will be guiding you step by step on the process of installing your Hansen glass railing system. The first step is to mark the fascia bracket spacing according to the layout provided in the Hansen approval drawings. Install the fascia brackets by first drilling a 1/4 inch diameter pilot hole and then install the 4 3/8 lag screws per bracket. Be sure to include the stainless steel cupped washers on each lag screw. Next, use a chop saw to cut your end posts to the lengths specified in your drawings. Attach a string line between the end posts to determine the cut lengths of all intermediate posts. This assures that the top rail will be level. With the posts inserted in their mounts, it's time to install the top rail brackets. For the corner posts, remove the perforated tabs and install as shown. Moving on to the intermediate posts, ensure that you correctly install the top rail brackets as shown. Use a chop saw to cut the top rail sections. Now it is time to install the top rail. Place the top rail over the posts and brackets. Install the self-drilling screws through the top rail brackets to secure the top rail. If you have a run of top rail longer than 20 feet, you will need to splice two top rail sections together. To ensure a tight splice, use a ratchet strap to pull the top rails together and secure with the splice plates and self-drilling screws. Using your tape measure, mark the post where the bottom rail connecting block will be installed. Next, measure the distance between the posts and cut the top rail infill pieces and the bottom rails. The top rail glass infill snaps into the underside of the top rail. Use the provided self-drilling number 14 screws and washers to secure the posts to the fascia bracket. Don't forget to install the color-matched button caps. Secure the bottom rails by installing the self-drilling screws on the outside surface of each end of the rails. It is now time to measure for your glass panels. Measure the panels by deducting 3 inches from the horizontal post-to-post measurement and add 3/4 of an inch to the vertical vinyl-to-vinyl measurement. The glass is installed by first inserting the top of the glass panel into the top rail. Be sure to push the glass all the way up into the channel. Then insert the bottom of the glass into the bottom rail and center the panel between the posts. It helps installation by lubricating the top and bottom of the glass with glass cleaner prior to inserting into the rails. Now that you're done, it is time to sit back and enjoy the great view from your deck. Thank you for watching.